Students, most welcome on e-learning Pashto online learning platform. This is going to be a phrasal verb based video or lecture, and this is also a part of spoken English. In our today's class or lecture, we are going to have a look at part 4, the most common phrasal verbs used. First of these phrasal verb is show off. To show off means zan khudal ya kibr kawal. Zan khudal to show off will kigi. To behave in a way that is intended to attract attention. Yani tas yaw ravya ya show off kawachi yaw cha tawajjuh zan ta jazba way. Is always showing off, trying to be the center of attention. Aga hamisha zan khay. چې خلکو ته خې جوړه بس ټول خلکو ته توجه ماته ده. look up to means to admire. یو چاته په درنه سترګه کتل د یو چا احترام عزت قدردانۍ کول ته look up to ویل کیږي. I always look up to Vijay Malaya. He was a man of principle. زه همیشه د سړي ډېر احترام یا په درنه سترګه ګورم. هغه بس د اصولو سړی و. Take a friend who you look up to. Next idiom is do up. To do up means repair, paint or improve. جوړول ښکلی کول یو کور کنه رنګول دوباره changes راوړل د دې د do up ویل کیږي. You should have your house done up before you sell it. مخکې له دې چې کور خرڅې باید یو کته repair دوباره لاس ماسو خي ور باندې. Next idiom is again we have show off. Show off means zan khudal ya ghurur kawal kana, to do something to attract attention to yourself, to display proudly. Naomi was showing off her engagement ring. Naomi chile da khpal kuch de gutmai khalko to khuda. And another phrasal verb that we have is hang up. Hang up means zan qata kawal ya prekawal, end a phone call. He didn't say goodbye before he hang up. ماغه خدای پامانه ونه ویل مخکې لدی چې زنګ قطع کوي زنګ قطع کوم. Next one is warm up. Warm up means to prepare yourself for a physical activity by doing some exercise and stretches to get ready. ځان آماده کول یا ځان چمتو کول ګرمول یو کار ته عموما فزیکی کار ته کنه. If you don't warm up before exercising you risk injuring yourself. که د تمرین څخه مخکې ځان آماده نه کی warm up نه کی ځان به خطر کې واچي. Another idiom is hang out. Hang out means to spend a lot of time in a place or with someone. یو چا سره یو چېرته ډېر زیات وخت تېرول hang out ویل کېږي. Instead of going to the party we are just going to hang out at my place. د دې پر ځای چې پارټي ته لاړ شو خپل ځای کې ساعت تېرو سره. And next is look up to. Look up to means یو چاته په درنه سترګه کتل, to admire and respect someone. He'd always look up to his big sister. هغه به همیشه خپل مشره خور ته په درنه سترګه وګوري. And lastly, the last phrasal verb of the day is look after. To look after means to take care of someone or something. خیال یا پام ساتل یو چا خیال کول ته look after ویل کېږي. I have to look after my sick baby. زه باید خپل بیمار بچی خیال وساتم یا پام یې وکړم. So these were the top 10 common phrasal verbs of the day. Let's have a quick review. Look after, look after, look up to, look up to, hang out, warm up, hang up, show off, do up, look up to, show off. So guys, that was our today's class. Try to make sure you have these phrasal verbs in practical examples or sentences. And until I join you in the next class, wishing you all the best.